mechanical machines such as grinding machines, cutting machines, vertical lathes and traditional lathes. On the other hand, CNC machines use lubricating oils and emulsions for metalworking. So the Technoil range of vacuum cleaners is the perfect solution to carry out the periodic maintenance in a simple way. The Technoil range of vacuum cleaners allows to simultaneously collect solids such as chips and shavings and liquids such as emulsions and lubricating oils, to separate them and then to reinsert oils inside the machine. The main advantages of using a Technoil product are to reuse oils and emulsions with consequent savings, to safely collect the vacuum material, to have clean working environment, and to reduce the maintenance time for the machinery.